Today we look at some tips on what to do when you don't know or remember a specific word in English. The most important thing is that you don't panic when you don't know a word, and that you don't freeze in front of the person you're talking to. There are some people who can communicate even with a very limited vocabulary. Try to communicate in a relaxed manner, using the vocabulary you have. Let's get to the tips. 1. Use simple words to describe the missing word. If you don't know a word, try describing it with simpler words or phrases. For example, if you don't know the word opener, you can say, "It's something you use to open a bottle." If you don't know the word library, you can say, "It's a place where you go to borrow books." 2. Use synonyms or related words. Think of a similar word that has the same or a similar meaning. For example, she is very happy today if you don't know the word excited. 3. Ask for help. If you're talking to someone, you can ask them to help you find the word. For example, what's the word for this tool to open bottles? How do you say the place where you borrow books in English? 4. Use gestures. Sometimes, using hand movements or body language can help express the meaning of the word you don't know. For example, if you don't know the word scissors, you can make a cutting motion with your fingers. I hope these tips have been useful for you. See you the next video.